Picture a colossal golden honeycomb drifting through the silent void of space, its facets sparkling as it glides far beyond our world. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's a real-life triumph of human innovation. Meet the James Webb Space Telescope, the most advanced and ambitious observatory ever built, created to reveal cosmic mysteries that have puzzled us for generations. Launched 1,000,000 miles away from Earth, Webb's mission is extraordinary: to gaze back across billions of years, uncovering the universe's earliest stars and galaxies, and offering us a glimpse into the dawn of time. Its enormous mirror, made of 18 gold-plated hexagons, is engineered to capture the faintest whispers of infrared light. This lets us peer through dense cosmic dust, exposing the hidden cradles where stars ignite and galaxies are born. Webb's gigantic, tennis court-sized sun shield keeps it icy cold, blocking out the sun's warmth so its ultra-sensitive instruments can pick up even the faintest signals from the farthest corners of the cosmos. But Webb isn't just a time machine, it's also a powerful explorer of the present, built to study distant worlds orbiting other stars, known as exoplanets, with incredible precision. It can dissect the atmospheres of these far-off planets, searching for telltale signs like water vapor, methane, and oxygen, the chemical clues that could hint at life beyond Earth. Water vapor, essential for life as we know it, methane, which could signal biological processes, and oxygen, the very element that makes our own planet vibrant and alive. In this sense, Webb is like a cosmic sleuth, hunting for evidence across the universe, piecing together clues that might reveal we're not alone after all. The James Webb Space Telescope is more than a scientific instrument. It's a symbol of our endless curiosity, our creativity, and our drive to find our place in the vast universe. And sometimes, what Webb uncovers is more breathtaking than we ever dreamed, reminding us that the cosmos is brimming with wonders just waiting to be found. Our closest stellar neighbor is Proxima Centauri, a star system that sits just beyond the edge of our solar system, in the vastness of the Milky Way. Proxima Centauri itself is a faint red dwarf star, much smaller and cooler than our Sun, but it holds secrets that have captured the imagination of astronomers everywhere. Orbiting this dim star is Proxima B, the nearest exoplanet to Earth, located just 4 light-years away. In cosmic terms, it's practically in our backyard, making it a tantalizing subject for exploration. What makes Proxima B so intriguing is its position in the habitable zone, the region around a star where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist on a planet's surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Of course, this doesn't guarantee it's a lush, Earth-like world. Proxima B could be barren and inhospitable, but its location makes it a prime target in our ongoing search for life beyond our solar system. Life there would face enormous challenges. Proxima Centauri is an active star, frequently unleashing powerful flares and bursts of radiation that could strip away a planet's atmosphere and make the surface hostile to life. The big question is Proxima B a haven for life, protected by a thick atmosphere and a strong magnetic field that shields it from these stellar assaults? Or is it a scorched, sterile world, its surface dry and lifeless under the harsh glare of its parent star? Answering this question is a key mission for the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most advanced eye in the sky, designed to peer deeper into the universe than ever before. Before Webb, we only knew Proxima B's mass and orbit. Its true nature remained a mystery, hidden behind the glare of its star and the vastness of space. Now, with new technology, we hope to detect signs of an atmosphere, hints of water vapor, or even chemical fingerprints that could suggest the presence of life, biosignatures that would change our understanding of the universe. We're searching for any indication that this neighboring world is more than just a lifeless rock, that it might harbor the conditions necessary for life to thrive. The possibility of life next door is no longer just science fiction. It's a real scientific question, one that we may soon be able to answer. Proxima B is our cosmic neighbor, and perhaps it could be our first sign that we are not alone in the universe, that life may exist elsewhere, waiting to be discovered. The search for life beyond Earth has never felt so close or so full of promise. The next great discovery could be just a few light years away. The James Webb Space Telescope doesn't just snap pictures, it analyzes light, the universe's messenger. Every photon it captures carries a story from across the cosmos, a message that has traveled for years, decades, or even millennia to reach us. Webb's mission is to decode these messages, revealing secrets hidden in the faintest glimmers. To study Proxima B, Webb uses a technique called spectroscopy. When the planet passes in front of its star, some of the starlight filters through its atmosphere, picking up subtle clues about what's in the air. This fleeting moment is a rare opportunity to peer into the chemical makeup of a distant world. Webb breaks this light into a spectrum, a kind of chemical barcode that reveals what gases are present. Each element and molecule leaves its own unique fingerprint, allowing scientists to search for water vapor, oxygen, or even more exotic compounds. Detecting these faint signals is like spotting a firefly in front of a searchlight from 100 miles away. The challenge is immense, requiring patience, precision, and technology at the very edge of what's possible. But what about artificial lights? If an alien civilization exists, their cities might glow on the planet's night side, just as ours do on Earth. These glimmers could be the first sign of life using technology beyond our solar system. Webb would need to stare for hours, collecting every photon, and carefully subtract the overwhelming glare of the star to find any unnatural glow. This painstaking process is like searching for a single, deliberate spark in a sea of natural light. Artificial lights, like those from LEDs or sodium lamps, have unique spectral signatures. These patterns stand out from the natural emissions of stars and planets, acting as a technological fingerprint. If Webb detects a narrow band of light not found in nature, it could be a monumental discovery. Such a signal would suggest something is generating light in a way only technology can. It would be a whisper in the dark, a sign that something is manipulating energy on Proxima B. Even the faintest glow could be a beacon, a deliberate signal, or simply the byproduct of alien industry. This would be the first hint of a civilization under another star, a discovery that would change our understanding of the universe forever. The search for life has become the search for technology. We are no longer just looking for biology, but for the unmistakable signs of intelligence and progress. The universe may be whispering back. All we have to do is listen and look for its faintest, most extraordinary signals. On June 20th, 2025, data streamed back from Webb, a flood of numbers and graphs. At first, astronomers saw what they hoped for, the chemical signature of an atmosphere around Proxima B. There were hints of carbon dioxide and methane, but no water vapor, something unexpected. Then, a junior astronomer noticed a faint, persistent spike in a specific wavelength of infrared light from the planet's night side. It had no known natural source. After rigorous checks, the signal remained. The lead scientist, Dr. Eris Thorne, gathered the team. On the main screen, the dark side of Proxima B glowed faintly, concentrated in geometric, continent-sized patches. It wasn't like auroras or volcanoes. It looked like a network of lights. A hush fell over the room. They were staring at what could only be described as city lights on another world. This was not just a chemical or biosignature, it was a technosignature, a sign of intelligent life. The faint glimmer from Proxima B was a beacon, shattering our cosmic loneliness. For the first time, humanity had evidence of neighbors. The stars were no longer silent. The universe had answered. The discovery of light on Proxima B's night side ignited fierce debate. Are these artificial lights? Vast cities built to survive a hostile star? Or is there a natural explanation? Could it be a bizarre aurora, shaped by a strange magnetic field? Or a chain of volcanoes? Or even bioluminescent organisms glowing in the dark? Scientists are analyzing the light spectrum. Artificial lights have narrow, specific signatures, while natural sources are broader. Webb's data suggests the light is narrow, pointing away from most natural causes, but the signal is faint. The task now is to separate the extraordinary from the merely strange. The answer lies in the details of that distant, persistent glow. The global scientific community was stunned. Independent teams confirmed the signal. This was real. Excitement mixed with caution. This discovery could change human history. Every statement was scrutinized. The pressure was immense. There was awe, but also fear. If Proxima B hosts a civilization, what are their intentions? Science fiction had become reality, and humanity faced new questions. Are they friendly? Do they know we exist? The silence of the cosmos was comforting. Now, it was broken. Yet curiosity prevailed. What are they like? What do they know? This was a unifying moment, reminding us we are all inhabitants of a small world, now with a neighbor in the cosmic ocean. The search for life had become a search for understanding ourselves. With confirmation of the lights, the world asked, what's next? Webb will observe Proxima B for thousands of hours, searching for patterns. Do the lights flicker, move, or follow a cycle? Meanwhile, radio telescopes on Earth will listen for signals. A targeted search, now that we know where to look. The debate about sending a message has begun. Some urge us to reach out, others warn of the risks. Revealing our presence could be dangerous. We know nothing about our neighbors. For now, the consensus is to listen and learn. Before knocking on our neighbor's door, we must first peer through the window. The next steps will shape our future. The universe is watching and waiting. This is more than an astronomical discovery. It's a turning point for humanity. For millennia, we believed we were alone. The lights of Proxima B have shattered that belief. If intelligence arose here and there, it likely exists elsewhere. The universe is full of potential. This new reality could change how we see ourselves and each other. Borders fade when we realize we share a cosmic neighborhood. The discovery could unite us, inspiring a new age of science and exploration. Our children will grow up knowing alien is reality, not fantasy. The stories we tell, the dreams we have, will change. We may shift from competing with each other to reaching for the stars together. The faint light from Proxima B has echoed across our world. We are part of a larger story, no longer just wondering, but knowing we are not alone. The night sky will never look the same again.